Hi guys, yum yum, welcome to my channel again. But this is a different kind of video. This is my first voice over, and this is a cook with me video. If you'd like to learn how to make this, stay tuned, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And if it's not your first time, welcome again. So first off, we're going to be starting with some shrimps. I'm putting some shrimps in an empty bowl to just rinse off first of all, and I also added some prawns to it because why not? So I'm just washing it now. I'm just cleaning it, and I'm defrosting it and cleaning it at the same time. I'm just trying to make all the pieces be one. Just cleaning and cleaning like so. You want to make sure you're cleaning it properly. I'm adding some more because why not? yeah, I'm adding some more. So just keep cleaning, and now I'm just taking it out of the bowl to a separate bowl. I'm just taking it out of the water to a separate bowl so that we can have a clean base to work with without the water. We don't need the water, so I'm just taking it out of the bowl. So I'm going to be spicing it up. This is a spicy prawn. I'm just going to be spicing it up with some ground ginger and adding some ground ginger like so, some black pepper, some garlic, and some paprika. That's the paprika now. Just adding a little bit of it, spicy. Then also I'm going to be adding some salt to it. Salt is always needed. A little bit of salt. Just going to be mixing it up real quickly and keeping it in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes. Then while we wait, I'm just going to be doing some grocery arrangement. I'm going to be arranging my grocery. So now it's time for us to make food. This is unsalted butter in the pan, dry pan. I'm just going to be adding some diced onions, a little bit of it. So we're going to be stirring it, adding it to the pan and the unsalted butter, just stirring. Then we're going to be adding our marinated prawn and shrimps into the pan. You can see that now they are just like raw, so we're going to be stirring until they start to curl. You stir until they start to curl. See, now they're already curled up, so you see that they're getting ready. So you keep on stirring, and I'm going to be taking it out because you don't want it to be too cooked. You don't want it to be overcooked. So taking it out and putting it aside so that we can continue to the next step. We're going to be making our pasta, but we're going to have a pot of water, and we're going to be adding some oil. I'm just adding some oil so that they won't be sticky together. So we have to wait for the water to boil. Boiling. Yes, start to boil already. So we're going to be adding our pasta into the boiling water so it can get cooked. Adding some pasta, just about 500 grams, I think. I'm not sure, I don't measure. I just cook. So adding some salt and covering it up to keep on boiling. So with the pan that we used to make the prawn, we already added some onion and black pepper and ginger, so we're going to be adding some garlic too. So now that we've added all the spice to the pan, we're going to be adding some pepper mix, which I already had in the fridge. Adding some pepper mix, and I'm just going to stir. I like my pasta to be very juicy, so we're just going to keep on stirring. Then make sure all the onions get everywhere. I'm going to be adding a little bit of paprika to the mix, yeah, like so. We're also going to be adding another tomato puree, another tomato mix. This is tomato puree. I'm going to be adding I think I added 1 sachet and a half. Yeah, I added 1 sachet and a half. So we're just going to be adding it to the pepper mix and all the other spices we already have in there. I'm just going to be adding. Then, you know, of course, we stir. Yeah, just want to make sure everything gets in everywhere so that I can cook. So as the stove is on medium heat, so you want it to cook properly, so it just keeps on cooking. And I'm going to be adding salt to it now, yeah, and no cubes, yeah, seasoning cubes to it. So you want to add that, so that I'm just going to be adding 1, and you stir everything again. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Please don't forget to like this video right now. Like it, please. Stirring everything into it. Yeah, stirring so everything can get in everywhere. I'm adding light soy sauce to the mix. I just like the way it gives this oriental feeling, because why not? Yeah, stirring. I'm adding the fried prawns and shrimps that we did, the first step that we did. Yeah, stirring everything together. You want all the juice to get in the prawn and the shrimps. You stir. Yeah, so I'm just going to be checking my macaroni. I'm going to be adding a little bit of pasta water, so that, because I heard that this is what cool people do now. I saw it on on TikTok. So I'm just adding a little bit of pasta water so that the sauce can cook properly. I like when my food is being cooked properly. That's why I leave it on medium or low heat, so that everything can cook, like really cook. So I'm not going to allow it cook for a long time because of the prawn and the shrimps. I don't want it to be overcooked, so I'm just stirring to get everything in the mix. I want everything to go everywhere. You know how we do. So that's that. I'm just tasting. It tastes so good and it smells so good. I'm tasting my pasta now. I don't want it to be too cooked. I want it to be just like even less cooked. Like, I'm adding some turkey to the sauce so that it can heat up. I already had the fried turkey in my fridge, so we're going to be sieving out just like quarter part of the water, so that we can have little water to cook the pasta to the desired, the way it's supposed to be. You're just taking out a little bit of the water, sieving out a little bit of the water. The pasta is not totally cooked now, so I'm just going to be putting it back and then adding the sauce to it. We still have a little bit of pasta water in the pasta, but just a little bit to make it like soft and cooked. Yeah, so I'm adding the sauce now to it, adding the mix to it. I added the turkey so that it will get heated, because it was frozen in the fridge. It's fried turkey. I always keep fried turkey in my fridge, so I'm stirring everything together, mixing it so everything can get everywhere. So I'm just going to wait for it to yes, simmering. I'm just going to wait for it to simmer, so I'm going to be covering it now and leaving it to cook, to get soft, to get like done. Nigerian people will say to get done. So I'm going to be covering it now. So the it's on medium heat. I also even like to lower it so that the sauce can enter the pasta. So I added some bell peppers. I didn't know I wasn't filming. So it is ready now. Just going to stir and stir. Yeah. See, my turkey is already juicy. Everything is looking good. See, the food is ready to be eaten. Yeah, that's the sign that it's ready to get in my belly. You know what it is. So this is the beautiful look. I know if you guys loved it. I hope you guys like, share, subscribe, and keep on watching. Not only makeup videos, now we have food videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.